John Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Today's lesson, I'm going to show you in 3 easy steps how to create this fun little Batman pop art style cartoon. Well, if you have your pencil and you have some paper and you're ready to have some fun, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final 3rd step. Hey, now that was a fun lesson and I hope you enjoyed it. And what I want you to take home today with this lesson is what you might be familiar with a character such as Batman. You can change it up any style that you want to, but everyone will know that it will be that character still. Use your imagination. That's the key thing here. Alright, so if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do. And if you have, I want to give you guys a big thumbs up for doing that. Thanks a lot, buds. And I appreciate you watching all my videos, and have a great day. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.